Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 11 here on season 2. Today we're tackling the honorable mentions. Yeah.
Okay.
So you don't even know what that means. Anyways, if you're a child watching this, I recommend that you turn it off because we are going to conquer some comments that might be a little bit more PG-13, or they rated R. I don't feel like they're rated R. PG-13. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into the first question. Orion B asks, "Is this a joke?" You're okay. You're going to tackle the questions. I'm just going to ask you the questions.
Why do I answer the questions?
Because that's the way that it works.
This isn't fair. It depends on what your definition of a joke is, I guess. And I would say, according to my definition, no.
Dirt 117 asks, "Was waiting for the knife to flip open." Well, it's not really a question, it's more of a statement, but I would like for you to address it. I feel like he wanted me to die on the episode, because I used a knife as a microphone. It was like, he wanted to flip open and he wanted me dead.
No, you just fidget with stuff, and so I could see him waiting, the suspense growing, because their chances of flipping it over increases by how much you fidget.
Chris Barnett says, "This is not a microphone, paint. It's paint." It is paint.
Mine's the non-brand.
Brandless. The microphone is right here. This is the microphone. These are paints. Looney3232 says, "Use a to speak into, please." Should I just go ahead and say the word, or should I just leave it not there?
I don't know, you just...
Yeah, we'll just not leave it there, because... anyways, you've seen the comment.
I think they're completely clueless on what you're talking about.
No, they're not. And then he goes and asks again. Looney3232 says, "Can you use a as a microphone, please?"
He used please this time.
He did use a please last time, too.
He hasn't mailed it to you, so...
He has... Yeah, I'm not going to go out and buy one, because what would I do with one? Okay. All right, well...
Next question.
Next comment question, honorable mention, is from Cameron McClendon. And he says, "You look drunk, ... Do you think that I actually look drunk in my episodes? The earlier ones, I remember when it was summertime and it was so hot and I was just dripping beats making episodes. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. Sitting there with a big bottle of Kleenex, a bottle of Kleenex.
You're so weird.
Tim Fizer says, "How do you crank out so much value-packed videos each day?" You work behind the scenes, so can you explain that to them?
Well, you followers and all the questions that you ask, besides the ones we're answering today, they help. And then he reads a lot of books.
Surprisingly.
Yeah. Well, he's dyslexic, so we both are.
Listen to a lot of books. Right? That's listen? Yeah, I listen to a lot of books. David Valledares, I'm wondering if anyone realized he is speaking into a corn on the cob.
I'm pretty sure everybody realizes that.
Thank
you, Captain Obvious.
I'm pretty sure 100% of the time that people knew that was corn on the cob and not a microphone. Socialillz, I always mess up his name, says drumstick next time.
An actual drumstick would be pretty cool. A drumstick from a chicken would not.
But what about an ice cream drumstick?
That would be even better.
Yeah, good idea. I'll bring on Jacob and we'll try it. A drumstick.
Let's see how if it lasts the whole
episode. And last but not least, Looney3232 again. "Can you use a to speak into just for lulz?" And he's got this face that's I don't know. What do you think about that? I think repetitive questions. I don't know. I'm just not going to address it.
We're not going to address it.
It's awkward silence right there. The reason why she's on is we just passed 800 subscribers, and we just wanted to real quick say thank you for helping us build our channel. She does a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff, saying, "You're doing a great job and keep on coming out with the videos," because sometimes it feels like it's not worth coming out with. But I know that you guys enjoy the content, and I appreciate all the love and support that we get, whether it is off-the-wall kind of comments or whether it is actually related to the channel videos that we do come out with. From both of us, we just wanted to say thank you. And from Jacob, who will be on tomorrow's episode, eating some chocolate, I think, or whatever we want to try.
He doesn't bring me on for that type of stuff.
Yeah, no, because you don't want to be on. Go ahead, get into the question of the day real quick, which is cereal a soup?
I think by definition you have to have some sort of broth.
Milk, yes.
Milk is in a broth. It's not, well,
Mm-hmm.
almond milk is a boiled. Okay, yes, technicality, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But we all know that, what is it, your favorite saying? Tomatoes don't belong in this fruit salad. So.
Wisdom, knowledge is knowing that tomatoes are a fruit. Wisdom is knowing that tomatoes don't belong in a fruit salad. So what's that mean? Yes, it's a soup, but it's not like a dinner soup. It's more like a breakfast soup. It's cereal. That's what it is. Like I was saying, if you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Rob, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, post those questions down below. If you have any questions for my beautiful wife,
I found something on the web about Limo's second question. Go to Stash Acorns, Rob. Check it out.
okay, thanks Siri. If you have any questions for my wife, post them down below as well. And don't forget to subscribe up here and check out My Wife Agrees to Be on the channel. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.